2. This again, our plan is to make sure that it is concluded. These are 100 centers of excellence. It's concluded in the next 6 months. You will find that the contracts have already been signed, and your leadership is required so that we can conclude this exercise. And again, you will find in your table another 1,450 ICT hubs, one in every ward in the Republic of Kenya. The members of parliament, the leader of majority is here, have already been primed. We have made resources available to them, but you will be required to provide the infrastructure, internet, make sure they are connected. You'll provide the computers, and you provide the people to train our young people in those ICT hubs. Good news also is that you will find on your desk that already the World Bank and the government of Kenya have provided resources for 145,000 computers for these ICT hubs. Communication Authority is providing the first 10,000 resources for the first 10,000. The World Bank is going to provide resources for 50,000 computers. And of course, the government of Kenya is going to provide resources for the balance. I will be looking to working with you to make sure that we conclude all these arrangements. If there are any loose ends, to be tied. And the good news also is that because we are building an ecosystem to make sure that the ICT space, the technology space, the space, the digital space becomes a space for work and for commerce. And just to make sure that that proceeds in the manner in which we have envisioned, Teleperformance, the largest business processing outsourcing company in the world, is now setting up shop in Kenya. And it will be a good place for you to work with them, work with the others, CCI, Summersource, and all the other BPOs in Kenya. They have given us an undertaking